Y'all, we be the main ones. Hashtag keep posting. Hashtag keep showing up. Hashtag just post it. Just do it. Let me tell you something. Stop posting. Stop posting right now.
What you talking about, Willis?
Do not post another video until you watch this video from start to finish. Because if you're not getting any views, if you're not getting any subscribers because you're not getting any views, then this is probably the video for you to watch. And I have to put down my microphone for this one because I need my whiteboard. So just hold on while I get my whiteboard. studio.youtube.com. Class is in session. If it's backwards, too bad, but it says studio.youtube.com. If you are using the YouTube app to post your videos, then girlfriend, guy friend, you are wrong. And I'll tell you this, you're not getting any views because you're not uploading correctly. A lot of us were doing it. I know I was, especially when I first started, because I was so excited and I was anxious about getting on the platform, and I just wanted to do it. I just wanted to show up. I just wanted to be consistent. It was like when you go on that first date and you want to keep seeing the person over and over again, or you're staying on the phone all night long and then you hang up and you keep calling back. It's like that. I just kept getting on here and I just kept posting. And guess what? I wasn't getting any views. No views or low views, 20 views here, 40 views there, 80 views here and there. I wasn't really getting any views and I wasn't getting optimized because guess what? My file name was wrong. My file name was wrong and it was not SEO optimized. There were no keywords to be had. You know what it was like? It was like as if the algorithm can speak and it had a language and it was robotic and it was like because that was the file name. It was XQVRS ampersand dot nothingness. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to do a test upload just so that you can see what the file name is not giving you, honey. It is not giving. And what it's not giving you is views because there are no keywords in your file name. There are no keywords in your thumbnail, because you are downloading your files incorrectly in order to upload it incorrectly into YouTube. If you are using the YouTube Studio app to upload your videos, then that might be the key. Now, I will say this, if you are a shorts channel or if you're uploading the shorts, then this does not apply to that. You can continue uploading using the Studio app because there is no other way to upload shorts. If this is a video that you're interested in, then go ahead and hit the like button. And if you're feeling very generous, then subscribe. YouTube content creator family. If you are interested in joining this family and you're tired of being solo dolo, feeling like you're on an island by yourself and not getting any views, you don't have a community, then I just ask you, what are you waiting for? Join us. To be honest, I was treating that little plus sign like it was the cross and it was going to save my YouTube life and give me a bunch of views. But honey, that is a plus button and it's not giving you plus the amount of views. It's actually hindering you from getting views and getting more subscribers, because to be honest, if you're not getting views, you're not going to get subscribers. That's if people are actually clicking your thumbnail. YouTube is a search engine based off of Google, and Google is looking for certain keywords that are in your titles, that are in your thumbnail file names, and in your actual video file names in order to know what audience to push your video out. A lot of the big channels already know this, but they're not teaching that. That's why I am here. I am your brown auntie, and I always give you the gems. I want to give you an example of what I mean by uploading correctly. And I want to show you what I mean by when you're uploading using the app right here on the phone. Most of the time we go in, we push the plus button, and then we upload our video, and we have no time to make sure that the file name is correct. We have no opportunity to ensure that the file name has keywords that Google is searching for. Now, however, when you upload from the studio.youtube.com app, then what you want to do is make sure that when you download the file into your files on your phone, if you're utilizing your phone to do your videos like I do, then you want to make sure that you change your file name in your phone and do this to your saved files. And I'm going to show you an example of what I mean by that. You want to go down and you want to swipe up and change the file name and make sure that that file name is keyword optimized or search engine optimized, because we all know that YouTube is a Google search engine. Most of the time people come on the platform in order to learn something, be inspired by something, or to just have fun. But they can't have fun if they can't find you with your certain keywords. So it's important to include the keywords into your file name and into your title. And when you do your video, make sure that you speak those keywords in the first 5, 10 to 30 seconds of your video. Like I did when I said you're uploading all wrong and you're not getting any views. All of those keywords are something that people are searching for in the Google search engine. Up here on the YouTube search bar, I'm going to make this point even the more, because I will say this. I don't know if this was the secret sauce that allowed me to go from this amount of views to that amount of views in a short amount of time. But I will say this is when I started implementing this strategy of changing my file names and making sure that my file names were keyword optimized. Another very important thing that you need to make sure that you check is to make sure that your videos are optimized for your right niche. So if you are in an educational niche, then you should be in education and how-to. If you are a vlogger, then you also could be in how-to and style. Another reason why I like uploading in the Studio Dashboard Vice, the app, is because it gives me the opportunity to do all of my end cards and my playlist.